In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-page forms in Tally Forms. This is a fantastic way to enhance the user experience on your forms by breaking them into manageable sections or chapters. Okay, to get started, let's navigate to Tally's website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the URL for Tally, which is their free online form builder. It's essential to have an account to proceed, so the next step is to log in. If you're not already logged in, click on the Login button prominently displayed on the page. Once you're on the login screen, you'll see there's an option to continue with Google. This is a convenient way to log in as it uses your existing Google account to access Tally without needing to remember a separate password. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Now you'll need to select your account from the list if you have multiple Google accounts, or just click on your account. This step securely accesses your credentials for a smooth login process. After choosing your account, you'll need to click Continue. This confirms your login details and redirects you to the Tally dashboard. When you arrive at the dashboard, locate the form you wish to modify and click on Edit to open your form in the editor. Editing is straightforward with Tally, as it allows a user-friendly interaction similar to writing a document. Now let's move on to the actual creation of multi-page forms. Find the place in your form where you want the next page to begin. On the line between the questions or sections you want to separate, type in page. By doing this, you're inserting a new page break at this specific point in the form. It helps to strategically place these page breaks where a natural transition in the content would occur, making it easier for the form filler to process and respond. Next, you'll notice a prompt or button to click on New Page, which almost acts as a confirmation of setting that page break. It's a good practice to ensure that the sections are logically separated to maintain coherence throughout your form. Segmenting the form in this manner will help respondents avoid feeling overwhelmed by too much information on one page. Once you've applied your changes, the final step is to click on Preview. This feature lets you view the form just as a user would see it during completion. This is crucial for double-checking that each page transition is functioning correctly and that the form flows the way you intended. Test each section thoroughly to confirm that the form's structure aligns with your goals. And there you have it. You've successfully created a multi-page form in Tally Forms. This method not only streamlines the form completion process for users, but also ensures that you can capture data more efficiently. Thanks for watching, happy form building, and see you in the next video.